Cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unscrew the dampener cord clip. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1085 filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the dampener clip. Reinstall the screw. Close the glove box.